Hello, career experience. My name is Pushpa Negi. I'm from AusSkill International Hotel School from Dehradun, right? And as you know that we have done the some interviews for Singapore 5-star properties. Then we have some candidates are selected for the service department. So one of them there is Mr. Mayank. He has been selected for Singapore 5-star property, and I'm going to congratulate him for this thing. So yes, Mr. Mayank, I would like to know your experience. How about AIHS? I would like to
Thank you, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity. Basically, yes, ma'am. So, I have also experience with some other different consultancy, but I feel in this AIHS Institute of Hotel School, so I feel like a good experience here. I definitely recommend to all other students to come and join us and connect, so they can achieve their future goals and future dreams. Thank you.